Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix, restart to repair drive errors in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Once you are being redirected here at the settings, you need to wait until it will be ready for you, okay? So here at the settings, once you are here, you need to proceed to the search bar at the left side of the screen. And this time you need to type for recovery. The moment you've typed it, wait until this recovery options will appear. Here you need to click on it to proceed. Okay, so here it has these two options and the recovery options, which are reset this PC and advanced startup. You need to click on advanced startup and aligning to that, you would be able to see an option called restart now. Okay, just have to click on it. In my case, I won't be clicking such since my recording will be interrupted. It will not be continued. Okay, so in your case, you have to restart now. And once you have restarted it, there you would be able to choose an option. You need to proceed on troubleshoot. Okay, I will just dictate you on what to do since I won't be able to restart my computer since my recording will be interrupted and for you to be able to follow. Okay, so just have to click on troubleshoot. Once you have the click on it, you'd be able to see two options which are reset this PC and advanced options. You need to click on advanced options, and once you have opened the advanced options, you would be able to see command prompt. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, it will allow you to choose your user account. Just have to choose your current user account and then click on continue. And the moment you have the click on continue, this window, which is a command prompt system or yes, will appear. Okay. Here you need to type a command, which is C H key DS key space /F space /R space C colon close parenthesis. Again, it is CH key DS key space /F space /R space C colon close parenthesis and then click on enter. Okay? So the moment you have the click on enter, you would be able to proceed. Okay. In my case, it is access denied since I'm not restarting my computer. But your case will be, it will be in the process. Okay. Don't worry for that. And here, you need to type this time for FSUTIL space DIRTY space query. Okay. Space C colon close parenthesis. Okay, again, in my case, my access is being denied since I'm not being able to restart my computer under the advanced startup. But in your case, you'd be able to proceed such, so no worries for that. And I'm not getting an error. I'm just showing you how to fix the problem. Okay, so just have to follow the steps. Okay, once you have, once you have click on enter, proceed on typing this, and then click on enter once again. And once you have the click on it, you need to close this window or you can type exit to close it. And this time you need to proceed on continue. And there you go, you'll be able to restart your computer. Check if your problem has been fixed, okay? I'm sure it will be fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.